One simple but useful feature in Microsoft Excel is the Quick Analysis tool. It's more of a shortcut and allows some quick and dirty basic things to be done, but in this day and age, it certainly doesn't hurt to have some shortcuts handy. In some installs of Excel, the feature isn't even turned on initially. So first, to get to it, we can go to the File tab and slide down to the Options command at the bottom, give that a click. And then right off the bat, if we look at the General category under User Interface Options, we can see the check mark for Show Quick Analysis Options on selection. All we have to do is check it and then click OK to get out of the box. Then, if we select a batch of data, we drag through in the normal fashion, the Quick Analysis button shows up at the bottom right corner and allows us to get to several kinds of tools then and there. If we give it a click, you can see the categories that pop up. If we click on or otherwise select, say, Formatting, we can hover on any of the kinds that we get there, and we can see an instant preview will come up. Or we can click on Charts and see which of the default chart types, if any, will work for our purposes. We can, of course, modify them later. If we go to Totals, we can see if there weren't already a couple of aggregate pieces of data there. We could do a few basic calculations if they didn't already exist at the bottom or on one side. If we go to Tables, allow us to convert the range to a table and use all the features that we get with that. And tables, of course, very good analytical tools. If I click on Sparklines, we get the micro-mini trend lines, or the columns, or even the win-loss if we have both positive and negative numbers selected. There are a couple of other options which come up when we use the Quick Analysis feature in Excel, and we can certainly experiment a little further. But when we consider how fast everything sometimes has to move in business these days, any shortcuts we can find will surely help.